some of my natural vibes. This wig is sponsored by AERYN21WIGS, y'all. This video is sponsored by AERYN21WIGS, and I am coming at you barefaced it because I just wanted to show you the style of the wig and not let the makeup distract you. Let's get into this wig and everything that it has to offer. I'm receiving this wig. You get a box that looks just like this, black with a bow on it. Comes the hair, which I have on my head right now, which is a headband wig, y'all. And it comes in this bag, which has their logo on it, and it says AERYN21WIGS. They give you headbands, y'all. They give you headbands to put on the wig, but I just rather put these headbands because these are in style. They also send me one, which is the gold one, and you will see that in the first style they put to put on your head, and they send you all these other ones, which are like scrunchy kind of headbands to put over there to cover basically the black part. I left edges out because I like edges and they are a statement of me. So I didn't want to put the whole thing on my head. I don't know. I just like the edges out. When purchasing this wig, you do get the headbands that comes with it. You get a rhinestone one, and then you get about 3 of the scrunchy headbands that comes with it, and they come in the box. And then you also get free conditioner, which is a whole bunch of conditioner in here. Last thing they said in the box was a wig cap. So when you put it on your head, you put the wig cap on, but I just rather mow my hair down and slap the wig on. You don't really need a wig cap. The only thing I don't like is they should have made the Velcro like almost all around the back, so therefore it'll be a little bit adjustable and tighter, so that for people for small heads, when they wear it, the wig will feel secure. This is a great idea of a everyday wig to put on and go, you know. So natural face, put your wig on, put your headband on. The price point on this wig, I will leave it right here because I don't know exactly the price point. I will leave it up on the screen, and if not, if the price point went too fast or anything like that, you can also check the link in the description right below. Don't forget to go check out AERYN21WIGS. I will leave everything in the description right below so that you won't miss a thing, and it is really affordable, y'all. So like I said, once again, don't forget to go check them out. And if you are looking for something really quick, this is definitely the way to go. But I don't want to keep y'all long. I just wanted to let y'all know that in the beginning. So I hope that y'all enjoy these styles, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Alright, y'all, let's get started. So right here is the construction of the wig, y'all, and this is how the wig comes in the box and everything. And I'm showing you how it feels when I take it out, the luster of it, how it looks. And right now my mom is going to apply this on my head. So right here, what I was talking about in the beginning before I got started was right here, the Velcro. It's supposed to be all over your head, but I want to leave my edges out. I don't know what I'm laughing at, so that you all can see how it looks with my edges out. I don't know, it just looks way better with a style of edge, y'all. And she's putting bobby pins in them to secure it, and it also has a comb in the middle, so therefore it won't go anywhere. However, I wanted to feel the tightness of the Velcro strap. For my first style, I'm going to do the flip. It's like an old Hollywood style for the first one, and it's going to be 3 looks, y'all. So this is the first one, and it came out so cute. Everyone's doing these styles nowadays, so get on with the trend. And they also gave me this gold headband to put on the headband part. Alright, y'all, so we got more headbands, and these actually are my mom's, so I just stole them from her. Anyways, right now we're doing the second style. The second style is a half up, half down. We're gonna keep the flip, so it's give you that modern, old school kind of vibe, if y'all get what I'm saying. So half up, half down, and then the flip on it. And then I changed my headband, so I like that. That's cute. We're going to the third style, and this will be the final style. this is just basically putting this in a bun and keeping the flip in the back. So yeah, y'all, I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to go check the description right below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.